Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to clear all cache junk files from Windows 10 or 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu over here and search for run and open this application. And now from here, just simply search for fetch. So just simply type it in over here and click on OK. And now from here, this is all of the junk that you have. So just simply s- tap just simply tap on your keyboard Control A, and after that, just simply right click on it and delete. And from there, when this happened, you can just simply go for this one and click on skip. And now another option that you have is just simply go to the start menu again and search for run. But this time, just simply go for temp, and now click on OK. And after that, just simply click on continue. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see all of the junk as well. So just simply tap on your keyboard Control A, or just simply select all and right click on it and click on delete. And now just do the same thing. Just simply check this box and click on skip over here. And now guys, another one is just simply go to the run again and search for percentage temp percentage. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on OK. And after that, this is all of the junk as well. So just simply select all of them, right click on it and click on delete. And just do the same process. Just simply check this box and click on skip. So guys, another option that you have is just simply go over to the run again. And now just simply search for clean MGR and click on OK. And after that, just simply select the drive that you want to clean up. And after that, just simply click on OK. And now from here, just simply check all of the boxes that are available. And since I just already cleaned it up, I don't have a additional files, but if you do, you should be able to check all of the boxes and click on clean up system files. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.